Right, this is a video on printing images onto freezer paper, which is this right here. We're gonna print it onto here and then transfer it onto wood. And let's get started. So this is the image of 3 owls that I'm gonna print onto our freezer paper. Right, and then we just inserted the freezer paper into our normal inkjet at-home printer, and as you can see, it prints out pretty lightly, but once you transfer it onto the wood, you'll be able to see the true effects of it all. And there is our image now printed onto the freezer paper. So I've got my piece of wood here that I'm going to transfer this image onto, and you just want to be careful when you're aligning it to make sure you align it exactly where you want it, because once it's down, the ink will transfer onto your wood right away. So I'm just going to go nice and slow here and just set it down. And that is exactly where I want it. And then you can take like a credit card, or I have a little squeegee here. Anything with a flat edge will work, and you just swipe it right across. Press firmly and just swipe it all the way straight across. And then down here, once again, just swipe it one more time. Make sure you get every little inch of it. And then you just slowly lift your paper up, and there you have it. The image is now transferred onto my piece of wood.